Hey folks, okay, I just got off the phone with Miss Christie and she agrees that maybe visual would be better in this situation. So here are the doors to the theater room and here's a blank wall. Right about here is a steel pole that holds up the supports for upstairs, has nothing to do with the wall. Imagine a closet here with a door that swings open this way with a numbered lock system on it. We put the kegerator system in there. The flooring, we have extra of this flooring, put a strip in here, just like that strip right here. Put the flooring in, kegerator go in, 3-foot closet, wider than the kegerator, but I would rather it be a little wider than just too tight. It's under lock and key that way. You don't have to worry about it. Then on the inside walls, we would drywall it and then cut strips of wood, simple to do like this. Not the X, but the slats on the inside, do the up and down slats and paint them that color, slide the kegerator in. I think it'd look really neat. Okay, now these cabinets. Here, these are obviously the cheapest Home Depot ever sold. I'd like to see about replacing these, and we'll get prices on them. I want to make sure you just agree to even pursue this. Keep this the same, but imagine a white true shaker style cabinet system. I think they sell white and gray, white being the most popular. Here would be a microwave, stove here. You see how this is off center? Miss Christie, you need to order a new faucet, put in a smaller base here, center this all up so it lines up so the faucet's in line with this, with the system here. 2 drawer systems here. And then this has always kind of bothered me. This refrigerator sticks out. We have the utility room here that doesn't, I just checked it, it doesn't even carry weight. What's your thoughts about cutting in a open door casement here and just slide this refrigerator back a little bit just so it's not so prominent out in the room? We have the refrigerator, we have the stove there, but if we slide that back a little bit, I think it just will make this area feel a little more open. All right, I'm gonna pause it and we're gonna go outside and look at the pool. Okay, now out here at the pool, we took a probe stick and we were able to push 5 feet into the earth. So I really don't want to put the pool system here. You see we have electrical, we have your septic line, everything's in this area. What I'd like to do is Josh and myself learn the new system correctly, come in here with a Mini X, bust this out, dig down to where as level as we can be with the pool here, and then pour slab, get the landscaper in here to help us, get a retaining wall up here to hold everything in place, and then put in the new system here. We already have the electric here. Some of the relays are here. We may or may not be able to reuse them, but at least we can reuse the gas pipes and the conduit and things of that nature. And we've already got the majority of the pipes from the pool here. And then also that pool drain where it's big, the big hole, go ahead and just tie that into the gutter drains that we have going down to the back. I think that's the smartest way to do it to make this correct so you don't see it or hear it as much. The only concern I would have is downtime. We want to limit the downtime to a week because we know you guys want to use it, and that pump's not going to last much longer. It's going to die at any time, okay? Then finally, Josh found a crack in the pool. And my understanding is it's got a crack roughly in there somewhere, about the size of a quarter. I think, yeah, I can see it. So they make an underwater epoxy we can use to get you through the summer. Then in the wintertime, we'll empty the pool. We'll sand the surface. It's called scarifying, or Jay, you'd know that word better than I would. It's just rough up the surface. And then we order from Sherwin-Williams a new coating surface to go across the top, a permanent epoxy fix, recoat the bottom of this pool, and I think that will hold. I think that's just where it's settled because they didn't do anything right on the front side. And I think that will get it stable. And then you guys can enjoy this without worry. And Mr. J also already confirmed with Miss Christie, when we do the granite, I have the granite guys give us what's called a pencil edge in all this travertine, so it's not so sharp, because if somebody falls on that, they're going to cut themselves, and I'm sure you don't want to do sutures on the weekend, right? All right, I guess that's all I got for now. Just give me some feedback and have a great day. Gosh, it's beautiful out here, huh?